Must've told you roll up, huddle up, they late at me funny. Say this shit got me bugging, you should've known that I wasn't. If anything, I was fighting. The fighting shit got me heightened in my mind. It's not any man, I'm probably just flying. Catch me on the next episode, I'm just high again, yeah, I'm just high again. I must've told them all the Asian African story. A lot of y'all asleep, so you find this shit boring. And that with my youngins is how this shit be going. Original me is me.
John.